Hello, my zesty besties. Today I joined a normal run as Shelly and encountered a lovey-dovey fossil cleaning shipper. If you don't know what fossil cleaning is, it's a ship between Taisha x Shelly. And a lovey-dovey shipper is a shipper who forces their ships onto others. Two things before we get into the footage. No hate to fossil cleaning. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I find the ship cute myself. Please do not report this person. With that said, let's get on with the video. As you can see, there is a Goob, Yada, Cosmo, Pebble, Sprout, and Taisha, our lovey-dovey. Let's look at the convo between Ego and Tupelchera. Ego is me, Shelly, and Tupelchera is Taisha. As we can see here, Taisha tells me 3. I respond with 3, thinking she wanted the machine. She then goes on to say you look pretty as Shelly. Okay, so I appreciate the compliment, but one little quirk I find interesting about myself is that I don't usually like compliments. Like they make me feel embarrassed. Is that the right word? But anyways, here's more of this cursed run. Another thing with this Taisha is that I felt uncomfortable when she said that you never know how old she could be. She could be a full-grown adult. I'm a minor.